Hello class, and welcome back to our second episode in this C# series. This is DebugOne2. So we're just going to fix the issues here. If I try to run it, not much happens. It just gives me a bunch of errors over here. But let's go ahead and just fix it just by looking at it. So right line, I need a closing parentheses on line 6, or a closing double quote on line 6. For right line A, I need to take out the A, put in the E. Right line, I need to take out that A, put in an E again. And let's see. I'm going to put these up here, make them nice and neat next to each other. I'm going to put in a double quote here, put a space in between the ampersands because I am making a square. Another double quote, spaces between the ampersands. And then I'll put a double quote here. And I'll go take out that space in between the ampersand and the double quote. And the last thing is I need a semicolon at the end of line 11. And there we go. Now, one more thing is I need a closing curly brace to close up my main method. Let's go ahead and run it. There we go. Now we get a square. Perfect. That is debug exercise 2, and we'll see you in the next video.